Personnel Distancing System by SiteZone Safety. What is the SiteZone Personnel Distancing System? The SiteZone Personnel Distancing System is designed to help implement the social distancing rules introduced as a result of the COVID-19 outbreak. The 2-metre rule. Maintaining a social distance of 2 metres can help reduce the risk of the spread of COVID-19. The SiteZone PDS can help workers maintain the 2-metre rule by alerting them when they have breached the 2-metre bubble of colleagues who are using the SiteZone Personnel Distancing System. The Personnel Distancing System also helps workers when approaching colleagues who they may not be able to see, so they can maintain the appropriate social distance at all times. Using the system. Connecting the battery and setting the system up. Ensure only your SiteZone tag is within 2 metres of the personnel distancing system when setting up. Before using the system, test the battery. If 2 red lights illuminate with 1 or more green lights, the system is OK. Connect the battery by inserting the plug in. The plug can only be connected one way. A few seconds after connecting the battery, the alarm will sound and the red LED light will flash on the button unit. Press the button and your tag's now paired with the personnel distancing system, and the alarm will stop. Putting the system on. Simply place the system belt around your waist and fasten the clip. Adjust the belt as required so it's a good fit. Follow social distancing guidelines. Using the personnel distancing system will help workers comply with social distancing guidelines. Follow government advice to reduce the spread. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, or use hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue, then throw it in the bin. Stay safe, protect the NHS, save lives.